LG XBOOM Stage 501 Review, a powerful AI-powered party speaker built for every celebration. The demand for portable party speakers has grown rapidly as more people look for all-in-one audio systems that combine powerful sound, long battery life, and smart features. LG has stepped into this competitive market with the LG XBOOM Stage 501, a premium party speaker designed for music enthusiasts, karaoke lovers, event organizers, and outdoor entertainers. Featuring AI-powered sound optimization, karaoke enhancements, customizable lighting, and impressive battery performance, the Stage 501 promises to deliver a complete entertainment experience wherever the party goes. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue, family gathering, birthday celebration, camping trip, or small live performance, the LG XBOOM Stage 501 is built to provide immersive sound without requiring a complicated setup. Here's everything you need to know about this feature-packed portable speaker. Modern design that fits any environment. At first glance, the LG XBOOM Stage 501 stands out from traditional rectangular party speakers thanks to its innovative five-sided design. This unique shape isn't just for aesthetics, it allows the speaker to be positioned in multiple ways depending on your setup. Users can place it vertically for maximum sound projection, horizontally for tabletop use, tilted for better listening angles, or mounted on a standard speaker stand for events and performances. Despite housing powerful audio components, the integrated carry handle makes transporting the speaker much easier. Whether you're moving it from your living room to your backyard or taking it to a friend's house, portability remains one of its strengths. The speaker also features an IPX4 water resistance rating, making it resistant to rain, splashes, and accidental drink spills. While it isn't designed to be submerged in water, it offers enough protection to handle outdoor gatherings without worry. Its premium matte finish, sturdy construction, and dynamic LED lighting create a stylish appearance that complements modern home entertainment setups as well as outdoor parties. Powerful 2.2 OW sound that fills large spaces audio. Performance is undoubtedly the biggest highlight of the LG XBOOM Stage 501. The speaker delivers up to 220 watts of output power when connected to AC power and around 160 watts while running on battery, ensuring impressive performance even when you're away from a power outlet. Inside the speaker are dual 5.2 5-inch woofers for deep, punchy bass, dual 2.5-inch full-range drivers for crisp vocals and clear instrument separation, a 2.2-channel speaker configuration designed to produce balanced sound across all frequencies. LG has collaborated with globally recognized musician Will.i.am to fine-tune the speaker's sound profile. Combined with premium drivers developed by Peerless, the Stage 501 produces rich bass, detailed mids, and sparkling highs that remain clear even at higher volumes. Whether you're listening to EDM, hip-hop, pop, jazz, rock, podcasts, or acoustic music, the speaker delivers an immersive listening experience suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. AI Sound automatically optimizes audio. One of the Stage 501's smartest features is AI Sound, which removes much of the guesswork involved in audio tuning. Instead of manually selecting equalizer presets, AI Sound continuously analyzes the content being played and automatically adjusts audio settings to deliver the best possible listening experience. For example, bass frequencies are enhanced for dance and electronic music. Vocals become clearer for podcasts and live recordings. Instrument separation improves for acoustic performances. Dialogue is optimized when watching videos or listening to speeches. This intelligent optimization allows users to simply play their favorite content without worrying about adjusting settings every time the genre changes. AI Karaoke Master brings the party to life. Karaoke has become one of the most popular entertainment activities at family gatherings and parties, and LG has introduced one of the most advanced karaoke systems available in a portable speaker. The AI Karaoke Master feature can transform many standard music tracks into karaoke versions by intelligently reducing or removing vocals in real time. Additional karaoke features include AI Vocal Remover, adjustable key changer, echo controls, dual microphone inputs, guitar input for live performances, The adjustable key changer is particularly useful because singers can modify songs to match their vocal range, making performances much more comfortable. Whether you're hosting karaoke night with friends or practicing vocals at home, these features make the Stage 501 much more than a traditional Bluetooth speaker. Space Calibration Pro delivers better sound anywhere. Every room has different acoustics. Large living rooms, small bedrooms, open backyards, and garages all affect how speakers sound. LG addresses this challenge with Space Calibration Pro, an intelligent room optimization system that automatically analyzes the surrounding environment and adjusts the speaker's output accordingly. This technology helps improve vocal clarity, reduce excessive bass reflections, balance overall sound, maintain consistent audio quality across different locations. Instead of manually tweaking EQ settings every time you move the speaker, Space Calibration Pro handles the adjustments automatically. Long battery life for all-day entertainment. Battery performance is another area where the LG XBOOM Stage 501 excels. Under typical listening conditions, LG rates the speaker for up to 25 hours of playback, making it suitable for day-long parties, camping trips, beach outings, and outdoor celebrations. The speaker is powered by a large 99 watt-hours battery, and one of its most convenient features is the replaceable battery design. Rather than waiting several hours for the battery to recharge, users can simply swap in another compatible battery and continue the music without interruption. This feature is especially valuable for event organizers, DJs, and entertainers who require continuous playback throughout long events. Dynamic LED lighting enhances the atmosphere. A party speaker should offer more than just great sound, and LG understands this well. The XBOOM Stage 501 includes customizable dual-bar LED lighting that reacts dynamically to your music. Instead of displaying random colors, the lighting intelligently synchronizes with the rhythm and energy of each song, creating a more immersive entertainment experience. Users can further customize lighting effects through the LG ThinQ app, allowing different color combinations and visual effects to match various party themes or personal preferences. Extensive connectivity options. The LG XBOOM Stage 501 offers a wide variety of connection options, making it suitable for casual listeners and performers alike. Connectivity features include Bluetooth 5.4 for fast and stable wireless streaming, USB playback, USB-C connectivity, 3.5mm O input, dual microphone inputs, guitar input, LG ThinQ app compatibility. Auracast multi-speaker support. Auracast technology allows users to connect multiple compatible speakers together, creating an even larger sound system for outdoor events, weddings, school functions, or large parties. The LG ThinQ app also provides convenient control over sound settings, lighting effects, firmware updates, and other smart functions directly from your smartphone. Pros: powerful 220W sound output, excellent bass performance with premium drivers, AI sound automatically optimizes music, AI Karaoke Master with vocal removal and key adjustment. Space Calibration Pro improves audio in different environments, up to 25 hours of battery life, replaceable battery for extended use, IPX4 water-resistant construction, dynamic LED lighting effects, Bluetooth 5.4 and Auracast support, multiple microphone and guitar inputs, stylish, durable, and portable design. Cons: premium pricing compared to entry-level party speakers. Large size may not appeal to users seeking ultra-portable speakers. Wireless microphones are sold separately. Full 220W output is available only when connected to AC power.